If you want to say beautiful in Azerbaijani, this word is for you because Master Azerbaijani word of today has Gözəl. Gözəl. Gözəl is beautiful, pretty, nice. Let's see. A beautiful view, a pretty hair, nice gesture. Gözəl mənzərə. Mənzərə is a view, literally. Gözəl saç. Saç is hair. Here's a fun thing, but I will tell this later. A nice gesture, gözəl hərəkət. Hərəkət is also mean action. But in here, gözəl hərəkət is a nice gesture. We also say such, hair. In English, we don't say hairs. We say hair. But in Azerbaijani, we can say saçların gözəldir. Gözəl saçlar. Beautiful hairs too. So it can be plural. Let's use this in some sentences. Bu dağlarda gözəl mənzərə var. There's a beautiful view in these mountains. Dağ, mountain, dağlar, mountains, dağlarda, in the mountains, bu dağlarda, and these mountains. See, we don't have these, singular, plural. We just have bu for all of those. Now, mənzərə var, there is view. Gözəl mənzərə var, there is a beautiful view. Bu dağlarda gözəl mənzərə var. Another sentence. O güzel bir don aldı. He or she bought a pretty dress. Now, if anyone Turkish is listening to this, in Turkish, don is underwear, but in Azerbaijani, it's dress. We also have a loan word, platya, which is from Russian. You might hear that one, but don is the real Azerbaijani word for dress. He or she aldı, bought. Almak is infinitive word form of to buy. Aldı is a past tense. Güzel bir don aldı. Bought a pretty dress. O güzel bir don aldı. That was today's word güzel, where we used in Azerbaijani sentences and phrases. I have another one for you. Your plan isn't güzel, but at least it's confident. Thanks so much for watching. Come back tomorrow for a new word. If you're serious about learning Azerbaijani, I have a lot more tips and tricks in masterazerbaijani.com. Make sure to check. Cheers.